A deadly wave of attacks in India's Jammu and Kashmir this year brought back the memories of 1990s when militancy was at its peak in the region. Changing their strategy of carrying out large-scale attack, this time again Pakistan targeted innocent civilians in the valley. However, giving a befitting reply to Pakistan-backed terrorists, Indian security forces have now completely controlled the worsening situation, neutralizing nearly all the terrorists responsible for civilian killings in the valley. Have a look.
Kashmir, a beautiful valley nestled in majestic Himalayas of India that is often lamented as lost paradise, witnessed almost 40 civilian killings and 72 injuries in terror-related incidents till November 15 this year. Despite the reiteration of a ceasefire along the line of control in February, the violence increased at multiple fronts, shrouding the valley into fear and insecurity. Amid a spike in brutal killings of civilians, terror attacks and infiltration bids by Pakistani terrorists, the Indian security forces launched a major crackdown. Continuing with the spate of encounters that have taken place in Kashmir, Indian security forces recently neutralized 2 terrorists in Kashmir's Pulwama district. The terrorists have been identified as Yasir Pare, commander of proscribed terror outfit Jaish-e-Mohammed, while the other was a foreign terrorist, an IED expert named Furqan. Both were involved in IED attacks against security forces.
बहुत एक कामयाब ऑपरेशन रहा है जिसमें 2 इस तरह के दहशतगर्द मारे गए जो लंबे अरसे से इलाका में एक्टिव थे और बहुत सारी दहशतगर्दी की कार्रवाइयों में शामिल थे.
As per Indian government, 1,033 incidents of attacks by terrorists have taken place in Jammu and Kashmir in the last 3 years. The highest numbers of incidents, that is 594, were reported in 2019 and 196 incidents have taken place till November 15 this year. As Kashmir is heading towards more peace and prosperity, Pakistan, being envious of this development, is busy hatching wily plots to incite terrorism in the valley. However, they have just been caught off balance by assertive Indian forces and their nefarious plans have been blown into ashes. Several sympathizers of terrorists and hundreds of overground workers associated with Lashkar-e-Taiba, Jaish-e-Mohammed, Hizbul Mujahideen, Al-Badr and similar other outfits and their affiliates including the Resistance Front and the People Against Fascist Forces have been arrested in recent days. According to the sources in security establishment, nearly all the terrorists involved in the killing of civilians in Jammu and Kashmir in recent past have been neutralized and armed forces are now focusing on intelligence-based surgical operations to deal with the terrorists in the Union territory with the aim to minimize collateral damage.
कुल मिलाकर के पाकिस्तान के हैंडलर्स और पाकिस्तान की एजेंसीज़ के इशारे पर एक नाम जो कल तक एक सिर्फ मान लीजिए कि एक मीडिया सोशल मीडिया एंटिटी था जिसको हम टीआरएफ कहते थे, आज टीआरएफ को एक दहशतगर्द तंजीम के तौर पे पेश करने की कोशिश की जा रही है. इस दहशतगर्द तंजीम के अंदर जैश भी, लश्कर भी और लश्कर के जितने भी छोटे मोटे डेरिवेटिव्स हैं, एफिलिएट्स हैं, वो सारे इसके अंदर काम करते हैं. कार्रवाई कोई भी मिलिटेंट आउटफिट करे मगर उसका नाम टीआरएफ के खाते में दिया जाता है क्योंकि टीआरएफ को पाकिस्तान की एजेंसी जिस तरीके से प्रोजेक्ट कर रही हैं जैसे कि जहां के लोग इस तरह के टेररिस्ट आउटफिट को चलाने में लगे हुए हैं. हालांकि अच्छी बात यह है कि जहां के लोगों की इन्वॉल्वमेंट कम से कम है. जैसे मैंने कहा, इसमें ज़्यादा इन्वॉल्वमेंट एजेंसीज़ की है, पाकिस्तान नवाज फोर्सेस की है, जो इस तरह के एलिमेंट जो छोटे बच्चे हैं, जो उनको अभी पूरी समझ नहीं है, उनको वर्गला करके इस तरफ धकेलने की कोशिश करते हैं.
Pakistan has been running a proxy war in Kashmir for over 7 decades now and has been trying to keep it alive by promoting terrorism and misleading innocent Kashmiris. It constantly violates the ceasefire at the line of control to attain international attention. There are several camps in Pakistan-occupied Kashmir flourishing under the patronage of the Pakistan Army and spy agencies, ISI and military intelligence. Intelligence reports suggest the presence of 200 to 250 terrorists on the launch pad adjacent to the line of control. They are trying to infiltrate into the valley through new passages as security forces have choked the known routes of infiltration from POK. According to the sources, terror outfits like Lashkar-e-Taiba, Jaish-e-Mohammed and Al-Badr are under pressure to get maximum infiltration done before the onset of heavy snowfall in Kashmir.